Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I am also. All of you are welcome to NABS Home School. This is Abir Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Mathematics class for class 3. And our today's topic is measurement. Discussion 8. Now, my dear students, open your book at page 95 and let's go to start our class. Look here, measurement. To learn this chapter, first of all we have to know what is measurement. Measurement is the process of associating number in physical quantities and phenomena. Measurement is fundamental to the science, to engineering, construction and other technical fields, and to almost all everyday activities. Look here, the process of associating numbers. So measurement will be included the number with physical quantities. Physical quantities means the all everyday activities, to find the length, to find the weight, to find the time, to find the amount of paper, amount of table. That will be the almost all everyday activities. Then measurement is the fundamental to the science. For science, measurement is the fundamental thing. To engineering construction, if you want to make a 2 grams weight ball or 2 grams weight table, then you have to know the measurement, and this is very important to construction and engineering and other technical fields, to almost all everyday activities. My dear students, look here, here is 3 boxes. Here first one, it will be used to find the length. 1 meter, centimeter, millimeter and kilometer is the units to measurement the length. Look here, 1 meter is equal 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal 10 millimeter, 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. You have to memorize these boxes to measure the length of anything. Not only length, you can measure the width from this. Now look at this box. Here is kilogram and gram. Kilogram and gram, it will be used to measure the weight of anything. Unit of weight will be gram, kilogram, and you have to memorize the 1 kilometer is equal 1000 gram. Now box number 3 is related with time. Look here, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes is equal 1 hour, 24 hours is equal 1 day, 7 days is equal 1 week, 365 days is equal 1 year. Look here, here is second, minute, hour, week, day, year. This is the unit to find or to measure the time. My dear students, you have to memorize these 3 boxes, very important for you, and you will solve your problems using these quantities of amount. From next class, we will solve our problem of this chapter. Memorize these boxes, practice it at your home more and more, and till then, Allah Hafiz.